Hey Cam Fam! Have a Merry Christmas! For anything else, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell button, like the jingle bell there, so that you're always notified whenever I have new videos like this one. So for today's vlog, as you can see, there's my Christmas tree over here. And also, I just want to plug real quick our curtains over here that we got from Home Fabrics Manila, which I'm gonna put here. Anyway, so yan na. Yun lang yung quick plug ko. But anyways, you guys saw my shopping vlog in Unique Toys and Novelties and also the Pitan. And we now have all our Christmas decor over here. We're now going to decorate the Christmas tree. Originally, it was supposed to be a Kokoro couple decorating the Christmas tree. But because Miggy Cruz arrived, they are now instead playing PlayStation while I vlog. So if you hear some sudden like, it's just them playing the PlayStation. Okay, so for my Christmas tree bilang di tumutulong yung asawa ko, for my Christmas tree, I really wanted like a red and white theme for our Christmas tree. So I searched Pinterest for some pegs just to get some ideas or just to see if it's really the color palette that I want to go for and just to like imagine it in my head. And then I went to the Pitan nga and Unique Toys and Novelties, and that's where I searched for a lot of primarily red and white Christmas decor. So let's start. So I'm gonna start off with these candy canes that I found in the Pitan. I wanted to put them primarily here on top. Pero may hook kasi siya here sa taas. And I don't wanna hang them. I wanna like make them like this. So tignan natin kung kaya. I feel like, guys, don't judge me. It's my first Christmas tree. And the thing that you see on my back is just my microphone because a lot of you have been complaining about my audio. So ayan na. Oh, there! It worked! Oh, look at that beauty. Dalawang cane pala. So I got my Christmas tree in Restans, which I regretted kasi mas mura pala sa QC.
Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up.
Sobrang attached ko to have like something Christmassy here. Quite on the set. So even if we don't have Christmas decorations for the tree yet, I asked Yoni to install the tree, to assemble it na, and we'll just put the lights. And then we'll put these shiny things that we got from the Pitan as well.
So we better make the most of what
I remember when I was a kid, I used to always turn on our Christmas lights every time I get home from school because it's really my favorite thing ever. And then the ones that we have at home, it had like a jingle with the Christmas lights. Like it always had a jingle with playing with the lights. And I remember I knew na the sequence of the jingles because I would play it over and over again every single day. So that's why I wanted to look for Christmas lights that had the same effect as what we used to have when I was a kid. But then, wala, they weren't selling anything in her stands. And I feel like the ones that still have jingles, parang they're not really LED bar or something. I'm not so sure. But I wanted kasi something na LED talaga because I really wanted to be safe. Mahirap na yung nag-Merry Christmas kayo tapos masusunog yung bahay. So, we didn't buy a lot of lights though. Parang we bought 2 boxes of the lights lang. Kahit na the ate there was like telling us na she thinks na if you really want a lot of lights, you have to buy at least like 4 boxes. So what we did na lang, we made sure the lights are all like towards the outer area para kitang-kita naman siya. Oh, so nice. Oh, so cute.
I will contribute with one. So I'll be part of this Christmas tree.
I see. Does not work like that. Does not work like that. Hubs,
Why?
we said through thick and thin.
Oh, so many still. I thought that's it. Oh. Anyway, it's gonna be a Christmas bazaar.
Hee hee! So cute. And now we're gonna put these just on top of the leaves.
we blink and then it's gone. So we better.
So I think when you're decorating a tree, you should really try to do it. I mean, it's so much easier if you do one side each, right? But if you're not sure if you have enough decorations, then you should keep rotating, going around the tree so that you can distribute everything equally. That again is Miggy Cruz, who has no respect whatsoever to my vlog. Thank you so much. We were just with him yesterday, we're with him again today, and we will be with him again tomorrow. He is officially a kokoro.
Not only do they adopt abandoned dogs, they also adopt abandoned Joe.
Yeah, abandoned Joas are also adopted. Keep Miggy will be a hashtag soon. So much easier to put these because it's so small.
Come on in, come on up, come on over.
My mom has always taken Christmas seriously. Like, she used to decorate our home so much. Yeah, even though I'm decorating our Christmas tree, I feel kind of sad I wasn't able to buy any like normal like Christmas decor for like the outdoors of the house. I feel like something is still lacking because she used to like decorate everything. Like, she decorated the inside, the exterior, everything. But slowly we will collect more and more Christmas stuff. Sometimes you have to stand far away from the tree so you could check where else you can put the decor, where else there's like a hole or an empty space.
Just like 1, 2, 3.
Okay, next up is this white stuff. I don't really know what they are. We'll start from the bottom. Started from the bottom, now we're here. We don't have a lot of this, no? Okay.
Yeah, konti lang.
So we gotta be strategic because we don't have a lot of these.
Oh, but I've been bow.
So we're going to alternate the white stuff. Alternating lang siya.
Together, come on in, nothing better. So let us have a swinging Christmas. Just
Upsies. It's okay na. No. Upsies. It's okay that you don't help.
Nice.
Ups, it's
Nice,
honestly
no?
okay.
There was an empty spot.
You can go back to playing.
Where's the tree?
Hubs, that's how a tree looks if it's in the malls. It's always like that. Busog. You know what a tree is in Filipino?
I knew.
It's called puno. You know what puno also means? Full. Like glass half full. Glass half empty. My God. Oh my goodness. I think we need more candy canes, you guys. So we'll put more candy canes here. And now we're gonna put these flowers. We only got a few of these, so I'm gonna try to put it at the bottom half. Parang it's sort of matching with the red and white stripes of the candy cane. So it comes like all folded up, so you have to open it yourself and, I don't know, decide how you want the petals to be. So that's how we want ours.
we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us
Hopsies, I know na your contribution. Food for your Wi-Fi to bite and munch. And water so I don't get dehydrated. Hopsies.
Take the whole pizza, maybe.
Mutos pa sa iba. Hopsies, water please. Hops. These flowers are difficult.
Contribution.
Thanks, Hopsies. And then we bought these wine-colored flowers as well. So we're gonna put this mostly at the bottom as well. So there's more surface area, so more space to fill.
the time is short. We blink and then it's gone.
Next, we'll put these. We'll also put it around the bottom area. So our goal for this tree is to look like it's a true madam's tree, meaning hindi tinipid. Maraming budget para sa mga decor. It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas.
Take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade.
Now we're gonna put this giant little thing here. Giant little thing. Almost done. The boys are still playing. How are you guys? Tiring? I see. Okay, where do we put this? Kay was supposed to open this for me. So, ay, parang ayaw masyado ni Kay gawin. So, she asked me, Mom, is this supposed to be a flower or a pamaypay? Oh, these kids nowadays. Next one, before all the balls, let's do this. Gusto natin, busog na busog yung tree. No scarcity whatsoever. Can't believe it. It's actually coming to life. Oh my gosh, I did it, fam. We did it, fam! Okay, next, the easy part. Christmas balls. We only bought big balls. I remember when my mom used to decorate trees, the balls were my responsibility because it was easy. Oh my goodness, Keiski, we did it, fam.
Of what we've got.
And last but not the least, we've got these really special Christmas balls. Ain't no basic bitch. Look at it, Hobbs. Isn't it special?
Dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in.
Ta-da! We're finally done. Probably took us about 2 hours to finish our Christmas tree. I'm so happy it looks busog. And we no longer need to go back to the north to buy more stuff. And I'm so happy with our first ever Christmas tree. I really wanted something that's super duper festive, not so like pa-cool, not so pa-chic. I really wanted something festive and very holiday season, something that's a bit traditional but still kind of different. You know, it's not your usual like red, gold and stuff. It sparks joy. It is joyful. Joy to the world! So yan lang. So yeah, I'm so happy. Hopefully we can buy some more Christmas decor for the rest of the house. Hobbs? Okay. So yeah, if you guys liked our tree, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, then give me a thumbs up as well for effort, A for effort. Leave me a comment below and see you guys on my next vlog. Happy holidays!